Hello everyone. So I'm excited to share after more than a week of waiting. Finally, I received via email kanina yung result ng omega-3 index ko. And as expected, below the normal level. Kasi well, dito sa US, more than 90% of the population is deficient sa omega-3. And so sa Philippines walang data, but syempre with the kind of food that we are eating right now, lifestyle, expect talaga natin na medyo mababa talaga yung omega-3 index karamihan sa atin. So unless yun nga sa mga siguro like sa Philippines, yung mga near coastal area where they eat more seafoods than us, than sa mga cities so ayun, so yeah, my omega is hello. Yeah, so I have maingay to si Daniel eh. Yes, he's Daniel. Say something. Say something to the people in the Philippines.
Philippines. See, Mexican.
In Mexican, yeah.
Mexican, see? My car.
Your car?
Yeah.
That one?
Yeah.
Up there?
Yeah. Philippines.
Flying car?
Philippines.
Makulit yan si Daniel eh. Ayun. So, yan, may omega-3, may intermission pa, no? So, may omega-3. Go! Yan. So, may omega-3 index is 5.3. So, the normal is dapat nasa nasa 8 to 12. Ayan. So yun nga, very important yung omega-3 kasi for overall health. Actually, ngayon ko lang nalaman na yung akala na natin pas nabing omega-3, good for the heart lang, but it's overall health para even our brain at lahat ng system ng katawan natin kailangan talaga ng sufficient na omega-3 para mag-function ng mas maganda yung yung katawan natin, yung health natin. So ayun, kailangan umakyat ng 8 to 12. That's why I'm taking our latest ngayon ng reformulated omega ng Yoli, and I'll measure again in 60 to 90 days. So yun, it's good to know na at least alam mo talaga kasi may test talaga. So sabi nga, test don't guess. So at least alam mo talaga yung value kasi a lot of our mga friends here in the US na who's taking omega matagal na, nung nagulat sila nung nag-test sila, mababa pa rin talaga. Yung ginagamit namin ngayon is a new product, and doon sa mga sa unang gumamit na nag-test, yung average na increase is nasa average of 3%. So malaking bagay yun. So yun, I'm excited. Right now, almost mga 2 or more than 2 weeks na ako nagtitake simula nung sinubmit ko yung test. And yun, before ako umuwi, I have to submit kasi and figure out kung paano ako mag-test sa Philippines. Kailangan kasi yung laboratory nandito eh. But it's a good thing na meron ganito na test based talaga. So alam mo talaga kung gumagana yung it's FDA approved yung test dito sa US, no. Yan, excited lang ako na malaman kanina, although ina-anticipate ko talaga na mababa. But at least may figure talaga, and I'll see kung ano yung i-improve niya after 60 to 90 days. Yes.